Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a little grocery haul today. I did make an attempt to actually bring you along with me on my grocery haul, but it did not turn out that way. You would not believe the Aldi line was wrapped around the whole store. It was unbelievable. So there was no way I could film in there. Those of you that are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I'd love to have you. We do grocery hauls, or I do grocery hauls for keto, low carb. I also do my journey. This weekend I'm going to be measuring and weighing in for my 1 month mark. So you want to subscribe so you get notifications for that for sure. Because I am telling you guys, it has been a complete awesome month. I'm telling you. So let's get on with this one. So I went to do 2 different stores. I went to Big Lots and then I went to Aldi's. And then I also stopped by my health food store to get a couple of things from there. Let's start with Big Lots. I've never had any of these snacks that I'm going to be showing you are brand new to me, except for one thing from Aldi. So the rest of it is pretty much new for the snacks part. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so let me start with the ice cream. I've got some Sundae shop ice cream. Now I've tried this before. This is the mint chip. This has 17 carbs, 4 fiber, but then it has also sugar alcohols of 5. So we're talking low carb for this little mint chip Sundae shop. If you like mint chip, anything like myself, this is good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer before it completely melts on me. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff. Seriously. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff when I get done here. Okay, so let's go here. This is something that I picked up from my health food store. It's the Ocean's Halo Organic Sushi Seaweed. They're full sheets. Just in case you haven't seen these on prior videos, I fixed like a cauliflower sushi keto style, and it's so good. It's so good. You use the cauliflower for rice instead of real rice, so it's super low carb. I think it was like 1 carb when it came all out said and done for one of the rolls. I mean, it was unbelievable. It had cucumber in it and all that in there. So if you guys are interested in seeing that recipe, let me know and I will do a video on her. Okay, so these next ones are from Big Lots. And these are the little snacks that I got. Every once in a while, I get in this snacky like mood. And I don't want to make really bad decisions by going into the cupboard and getting something. So that's what I did in December before I started this whole thing on this whole month. I cleaned out all the sugary snacks and anything that I knew was not keto approved or low carb approved. So this first one is your moon cheese. This is what I got from Big Lots. And this has 1 carb, believe it or not. It's made out of real cheese. Ingredients: cheddar cheese, pasteurized milk, cheese, cultured salt. That is it. 1 carb, no fibers, but 1 carb for 6 to 7 pieces. And it looks like these, I'm not going to open it now because if I open them, it makes you want to eat them. So I'm just going to show you guys what this is, the moon cheese. They feel pretty heavy, so I'm not sure how big they are or if that's actual size there. But if I just want to like get a couple, out every once in a while, it's not going to kill me. Absolutely. Now these, I'm sure you have seen the Parm Crisp I got these from Big Lots, and I also got another version of a different brand, Parmesan Crisp from Aldi's. And they're both very low carbs, 1 gram per 19 chips. And this is the same way, 1 carb per 19 chips. And the ingredients is aged Parmesan cheese, salt. Hello, Mama's home. Yes, these are the way to go. The Parmesan chips and crisp. 13 grams of protein. You know, if I could probably like make a tuna or an egg salad and kind of use these as like the dipping chips. Something to do. Something to an idea. You know what I mean? Then I got the Wisp, Asiago and red pepper jack. This is 1 carb per serving. Per serving is 23 of these. 23 of the chips per serving for 1 carb. These are definitely going to be using for like tuna, egg salad, just a dipping type. I love to dip everything. So these are awesome. The calorie per package is 320. That's kind of high on for me, but the ingredients look really good. Pepper jack cheese. They use salt, a little bit of milk, park skim milk, jalapenos, and then salt. And it's just very clean. So if you're looking for a snack, there you go. And you also got some macadamia nuts. I also ordered macadamia nuts. Is not too bad. It's high in fat. The nuts are 22 grams per 1/4 cup. Macadamia nuts. These are at Aldi's. They're not cheap, but if I'm gonna eat a nut like something like this, I'm gonna eat something that I really, really like. So I'm willing to pay the price for them. I mean, they're not like outrageous, but 2 fiber or 4 carbs, 2 fiber. So they're very, very low on the carbs. Macadamia nuts, sea salt, very clean for this brand. Okay. And then I ordered from Amazon. I got this macadamia milk. It's the unsweetened version. And this is super clean. I mean, and it's so good. I mean, if you never had macadamia milk, you got to get you some. Just one of these little containers. Just try it. You will be amazed on how good it is. And even, I don't have to add any kind of trivia or anything like this to make it sweet, to taste good. It's actually got its own sweetness to it. So we're talking about less than 1 carb per 8 fluid ounces. Okay. And then no fiber, but I'm telling you guys, this brand is so good. You can get it off of Amazon, very reasonably priced for Amazon, and you get 6 of them when you order. So hello. Let's see. I got some more pink salmon. I use this actually in my breakfast. A lot of times I'll fix it the night before, and then I'll heat one of these. I'll fix 3 at a time, and then I'll heat them up in the morning with an egg or 2, and there you go. That's your breakfast. And this brand here is so good. I get the big pack because I fix, you know, so many at a time. I got some Romaine Hearts. I'm going to use these for my next item that I got and just wrap them up in these. These are always good to have and very handy. I got some sour cream. We always need sour cream. I did not get the low-fat sour cream because I know it's sour cream. I just like the full fat. And I also got some Happy Farms cream cheese from Aldi's. This is the original. This is really good. This actually reminds me of Philadelphia cream cheese. It's very creamy when you put it in your recipes. I fixed a buttered chicken the other night. It had breast of chicken. It had 2 tablespoons of the cream cheese. I put sour cream in it. I also put a couple other items in it that was very low carb, very keto friendly. Broccoli. Oh my gosh. It was so good. If you guys want to know about that recipe or see me do one of those recipes, just let me know in the comments. Very low in carb. It came out to like 4 carbs per serving. I mean, it was like 3 to 4 carbs. It was like, actually, I think it was less than that. I'll double check on that, but it was really low in carbs and calories. So goat cheese, love my goat cheese. This is the plain. I always get the plain. I actually stuffed my my hamburgers, like my ground beef. I put a little bit of the goat cheese in, kind of like when you do a blue cheeseburger. I put this in there, and it just gives it a different. And you know what? It makes the ground beef so tender. Like, you know, you're talking about your hamburger, but it's so tender and juicy. I don't know why it does that, but it just is so good. Okay, so I've got the 100% grass-fed ground beef from Aldi's. You guys probably have seen this many times. Well, I hit the jackpot on this one. It was $4.99 for one of these babies. I loaded up on those. I even got to the cash register and he's like, wow, you did really good here. Okay, so then I got the pure Irish butter. Love this butter. I like Kerrygold. This is another version of Kerrygold. It's Countryside Creamery. It's imported. It's from Ireland. It's made from grass-fed cows. If you see this brand in Aldi's, get this. It's way cheaper than your Kerrygold that's been going on. Lately, Kerrygold has been outrageous. And this is just as good. So, and half the price. I'm not lying about that. Half the price. Okay. Then I've been craving some bacon lately. I try not to do a lot of bacon. I know keto says do bacon, eat bacon all the time, eat bacon. I just cannot digest the bacon. I'm sorry to say, but I just cannot digest it very well. So I got the never any uncured bacon, hickory bacon, and the ingredients are very clean. Pork, water, sea salt, cultured celery extract, spice extract. That is it. No sugar. Nope, no sugar. 0 sugar. Look at that. No sugar. Love it, because every bacon I used to buy in the past had sugar in it. And we're trying to lower our A1C. Yes, we are. Okay, so then I went by and I got some Ceylon. I hope I pronounced that. Ceylon cinnamon. It's organic. It's I got this at my health food store, but I actually found it on Amazon way cheaper than my health food store. I'm a bargain shopper, you know what I mean? But they had this at the health food store. She did give it to me at a lower price because I shop there all the time. So I did really good with that. I got that for my coffee in the morning and for recipes. Okay. All right. I think that is it. That is it for the grocery haul, you guys. I'm going to finally eat. It's 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet today. I've had iced tea and that is it. So, and I'm actually not even hungry, which I know I have to eat. I have to get my window in. So I'm going on probably an 18 to 20 hour fast right now. Yeah. So, and I'm very proud of myself for that. Very proud. So anyway, look for the video this weekend with me measuring, weighing in, And I'm going to be very transparent with this, and we're just going to go at it. I haven't peaked. So I haven't peaked at like my waist or anything, like measuring it on the side or anything. So I'm really looking forward to it, because keto, if you take your measurements, you're going to get a better gauge of what keto is doing for you and pretty much the way you feel by measuring. So make sure you guys measure if you're doing keto. Measure, measure, measure. Okay? Have a great weekend. I will see you on the next video in a couple of days. Have a great night. And I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.